Are you wondering how to do a glowing hair effect? If yes, here's how you do that. First, we need to drop the brightness of the drawing so the hair will look glowing. How? Tap the filter tool. Tap brightness and contrast. Decrease the brightness based on what you like. If you want to make it darker, just repeat the process until it meets your preferences. Next, create a new layer and set the blending mode to overlay. In this layer, we will color the hair with the base color. Decide what color you want to use. In my case, I will pick orange for Nobara's hair. Color this part, use any brush you like. It's much better to glow this part of the hair, so I suggest pick a drawing like this that exposes this part. Next, create another overlay layer and clip this layer below. Why? To ensure that the colors you add only affect the base color of the hair. Using airbrush, color the top area of the previously added color with a lighter shade. I'm using yellow color. Trust me, it's yellow. What I'm going to achieve here is a good transition of analogous colors in her hair. What are analogous colors? It is the colors that is neighbors on the wheel. Orange. Yellow, orange, and yellow is the example of analogous colors. Okay. Next, create a new layer and set the blending mode to add. Using airbrush, increase the size of the brush and lower the opacity of the brush. Then apply it to the hair to create a subtle glow. Next, choose Lasso tool and select the half of this area. It's great for fixing or adjusting certain things with accuracy. You can draw anything inside the selected area without affecting the drawings outside of this selected area. Now, to make it more look glowing, I'm going to use the color yellow and a lighter yellow. I will apply it here on top using airbrush. I'm doing this to have a light colors on top and warm colors below. It looks good in this way. Let's add a little lighter color here. If you're done, select this Remove Selection area. Then, blur the edge, using Blur tool. I do this to smoothen the edges of the color. Now it's smooth like butter. For additional glow effect, apply 3 strokes of color yellow on top. Adjust the brush opacity until you achieve your desired glow effect. Let's pick color orange and apply a subtle color here. Here. Oh, nah, and also here. Make sure that the top is much brighter than below. So, I think, let's make the top more brighter. Let's pick this color. And also adjust the brush size. Let's apply a few strokes here. It looks like glowing now, right? For final step, let's add some detail. We're going to draw some hair strands. It's optional, but if you want to add detail, you should try this. Create a new layer and set the blending mode to add. It's often a good practice to create a new layer for adding special effects, like glow. This allows you to make adjustments without affecting the original layer. I use pen fade and draw a few thin hair strands using a yellow or lighter color. I do this to add more detail to my work. If you want it to look visible, use white color and adjust the brush size. Adjust until you are satisfied. After that, lower the opacity of the layer where you draw the hair strands if it's too bright for you. Oh wait. How come there's a dot over there? Let me erase it for a second.
No! No!
Undo. Oh. Just a second. Let me find where's the layer of that dot. Oh, here it is. The next thing you need to do is add lighting to the affected areas of the glowing hair, just like this. How to do that? Watch this tutorial to know more. And that's how you add a glowing effect on the hair of your drawing. But if you're still watching, I'll give you a tip on where to draw this lighting. Let's say the hair is the light source, so this, and this are the areas will be affected by the light source. If you draw the lightings, it should look like this. Draw lightings with any brushes you prefer. I'm going to make another detailed tutorial for that. So stay tuned for my upcoming tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for updates. See you in the next video.